tell us about the van.
Got the sink with a nice tap.
Lovely backsplash.
Backsplash with a spice rack.
Yes.
2 burner hob.
Yep.
Under the sink we've got the where the bin will go. We've got loads of drawers, cupboards, the fridge.
Slow down. Show me again.
Fridge. Under here we've got more pantry drawers with all of our food.
Yep. That's for working. Yep. Yep.
With some more stationery storage here.
Excellent.
We've got our wash stuff in this cupboard. Tea and coffee in this cupboard. And a full cereal box. Another cupboard here, which we've got loads of coats, sheets, towels.
Yep. Got the little PC fan up there.
Open and close.
Lovely. Yep. And then all the controls here.
The water monitor, battery monitor, max fan.
Push that. That tells us we've got 100% water.
The gas monitor, the heater.
This one tells us we have 100% gas. Tells us we've got 94% battery. And then we've got the max fan, and the light switches. And then USB and the little Chinese heater.
We've got another cupboard down under the sink with all of our pots and pans.
Table that
We've got
moves.
the table under the good
Yep.
arm.
Yep.
And on this side, we can move the cushions.
Yes.
We've got our toilet.
Yep. Little box here. Yep. And the heater next to it.
Access like
The
that.
wiring, yep. And we've got a 240 socket here and another USB. And then there's USB sockets
On the
on the
lights.
lights, yep.
The max fan up here.
Big max fan there.
Shelves at the back. Table.
Yes.
And
Yet
all
to
of
be
our
strung.
clothes.
Loads of clothes storage, yep. Still not full. Excellent.
And
Ah, yes.
the hangboard.
Pièce de résistance.